here we will turn on the MCB. So whenever the MCB is turned on, here you can see here it is showing a sound. Automatically the MCB is working well and the resistance is just only 4 ohms. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show how to test whether an MCB is working or not, whether this solar contractor is working or not with the help of an multimeter. So this is the multimeter. So before you check, see that red wire is connected in voltage port and black wire is connected in common port, and just turn on the and keep it in ohms. Okay, when you keep it in ohms, it will directly show ohms value. So and here you will have a select button. Press this button once, it will show the diode operation, and once again you press it, it will show the symbol. The less resistance is very less, you can see here. So now when you short it, it will make a sound. I think the sound is audible to you. So it's nothing but continuity test. So now you may have a doubt whether this MCB is working or not. Now actually MCB is in off condition. Okay, so now here you can see here, this is a line and neutral I have been connected. You can see here this is in off condition, resistance is infinity, it is showing that overloaded and there is no continuity. Now let us try to see here, we will turn on the MCB. So whenever the MCB is turned on, here you can see here it is showing a sound. Automatically the MCB is working well and the resistance is just only 4 ohms, where I can say here this MCB is working well. Similarly, you may have some kind of problems with the contractor when you use for a solar system. So here you can see here, this is line input and this is output. This is neutral input, this is neutral output. So basically we have to keep this in the same connections. So when you short phase and neutral, it has to produce sound. Here you can see here the sound what it is producing. Okay, now let us try to check without giving the supply. We can directly check whether this contractor is working or not. So first give the positive here and connect the negative here. Okay, here you can see here the contractor is in off condition and automatically it is showing that it is overloaded. Why? Because whenever it is open, resistance is infinity, therefore it is showing that it is open loaded. So neutral also will check whether it is working or not. So when you connect to the neutral also, it is saying that it is in off condition and it is overloaded. Now when you press this contractor to the inside, automatically the contact will be established. Here you can see here. Okay, so now you see here we are connected between L1 terminal and T1 terminal, and we are checking whether this contractor is working well or not. So now let us try to press the contractor to the inside. As soon as you press the contractor inside, it is saying that I am in contact with the supply and the resistance is how much? 0.8 ohms, which I can say that this contractor is in good condition. Similarly, here you can see here. So now it is in off condition, it is showing that it is overloaded. Now when you close the contractor, automatically it is saying that I am in contact with the neutral. And how I can confirm that this contractor is working well? Okay, so here it is first pole and neutral pole are working well. So without giving supply, we can directly identify whether the devices are working well or not with the measurement of resistance. Okay, so you have to be careful while you keep this in sound mode. So this should be in audible mode, so that you can change it by using this select button. Select first one is auto, next one is measurement of diode resistance, next one is measurement of the sound, where this is like we call it as a continuity test. So these tools are very useful, or this experimentation is very useful when you are working with MCBs or when you are working with contractor at solar installation or multiple locations of electrical engineering. Thank you for your time. We'll meet with an updated videos of testing of an MCB, and already we had made a video of working of an RCCB and working of an contractor, or how to use a contractor in the solar installation and how it's used as an anti-islanding devices. Thank you for your time. We'll meet in a new useful videos in electrical engineering. Thank you for everyone.